Hi all, I am Ambali Francis, Faculty of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jyoti Engineering College, Thrissur. Today, I would like to discuss about Introduction for MIPS Instruction. This course offers to the fourth semester BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering students. Let's go to the presentation. This is our syllabus text. Then we are discussing about MIPS instruction format. MIPS has three instruction formats. First one is R-type instruction. Second one I-type instruction. Third one J-type instruction. R for register type. I for immediate type. J for jump type. Then R-type instruction format. The format is as shown, which is divided 6 fields of various bits. The opcode is given 6 bits. RS is the source register. Source register is allotted with 5 bits. RT is also as a source register. Source register is allotted with 5 bits. RD is the destination register. Destination register is allotted with 5 bits. Next one is the shift amount. Last field is function field. This is the format for R-type instruction. R-type has a 32-bit instruction format. Then we have 6 fields. First one opcode, RS, RT, RD, shift amount, function field. All R-type instructions have an opcode 0. The opcode and function field for the add instruction are 0 and 32. The opcode and function field for the sub instruction are 0 and 34. This is the shift amount field. Shift amount field is used only in shift operation. Then all R-type instruction has shift amount is 0. Last field is function field. Function field is the add instruction is 32 and the sub instruction is 34. Next instruction format is I-type instruction format. This figure shows the format for I-type instruction. It has 4 fields. First one is opcode. Opcode represented as 6 bits. Second one is RS. RS is source register. Source register is allotted with 5 bits. Third field is RT. RT is the destination register. Destination register allotted with 5 bits. Last field is immediate address. Immediate address is represented as 16-bit. Last instruction format is J-type instruction format. This is the format for J-type instruction. First one is opcode. Opcode has represented as 6 bits. Next one is immediate. Immediate value has represented as 26 bits. Next we are discussing about how to solve problems related to instruction formats. Thank you.